Ayun na, ngayon naman matututunan mo kung paano mag-subtract ng fraction. So basically, parehas lang siya ng concept nung sa addition. So kung hindi mo pa napanood yun, pwede mo siyang panoodin. Hanapin mo lang dun sa mga video ko. So sabi natin, for example, we have 3 halves minus 1 half. So gaya ng pag-add ng similar fraction, parehas lang siya sa pag-add o pag-subtract ng similar fraction. So parehas lang siya ng concept. So kapag same yung denominators natin, we just need to copy them and subtract the numbers in the numerator. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and don't forget to simplify. So 2 over 2 is 1, so our final answer is 1. So same lang po ng process. How about we have 5 over 6 minus 3 over 6. So similar fraction, just copy the denominator, then subtract the numerator. So 5 minus 3 is 2, and as you can see, we can divide this by 2. So if you divide them both by 2, 2 divided 2 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our final answer is 1/3. So that's how we subtract fractions.